Hi everyone, this is Pawan Sharma. In this video, I have a swing trade for you. The stock is currently trading around 120, and if we talk about the potential target, we can expect a target of 150 recently, and if it can close above 150 and stay there for 1 or 2 days, then the target can be double from there also. And the second good part about this is it's a part of large cap, because these days the small caps and the mid caps are not giving us that much confidence. So I have specifically picked a large cap. And if we talk about the risk, the stock has recently, like after a fall, the stock consolidated for a bit. It got some good orders in it book, and now it has started rise. So giving us a very good space for our buying also. And of course, this is not a investment advice. And if you are taking any trade on my recommendation, please consult with your financial advisor and do your own analysis also before taking any trade. And if you are new to my channel, friends, then please subscribe to it. That way you can support me a lot. And do not forget to press bell icon, because whenever we post new videos, you will get the notification for the same. So let's talk about the stock, and let's talk about the technicals about that why we have picked it and why this stock can give us the good results. If we talk about the stock name is NBCC. Let me remove this tool from here. I'll explain you what this is. And in March 2023, a year back, it was trading around 29. After that, it rises crazily and hit a high of 176, and that is almost 480% from its recent low. After that, what it did, it came down for correction. So whenever we have to check that if a stock has given a rise from this point to this point, so how much it has corrected from its recent high and how much it can correct further. So to find that thing, we generally use retracement. So what I will do, I will put a retracement from the bottom, the recent low that was around 30, and I will drag it to the top and I will leave it here. If you look at here, let me explain you what this is. It went up from 30 to 176. Okay, and after this it went down for some correction. The correction was 50%, and as per the retracement, if it can hold this level, which is of 104, it will rise further. If not, then it can hit this level, which is 121, and it can come down. And this time, the first falling target will be 104. The second target will be 87. And in worst case scenario, it can only hit 62. But as I said, the stock has good orders in its book. So we cannot think of 62 as of now, how it's market. So it's good to be prepared for such things. So now if we talk about the recent entry, and if you look at here, this is 122. So we need a closing above 122. So that way it will be confirmed that the stock has broken this level of 38.2, which is I would say immediate resistance for NBCC, and it will rise further. And this time, if we talk about here, so this is like 176 to 100. So you can expect a target of at least not less than 250. So the first target here would be, as I said, that the first target will be 143 to 150. So 150, that is the swing target. And if it close above this level, then the first target will be 176 and the second target will be 250. So always understand that if a stock is breaking its resistance, and if it form that resistance as its support, then we can expect further rise also into that stock. So that's one thing, where the first thing is where we are expecting that stock will break 122. It will hold itself and it will start to rise. In that case, what we can do, we can keep a stop loss of 114. In this case, this will be the first case. So that's one. Second, let's say if it broke this one but could not hold this level, so we'll just exit on intraday. And if it will come down, hit this level, or maybe hit this level and it will come down, then the second entry will come around 105. So when it will come down and if it start to rise back, then you can buy at 105 also. That's the case when it could not break this level. And in worst case scenario, it could be quite possible that you might get a target of, you might get a fall tail after this 87 also. So always mark these levels. What you can do in such case, because we cannot keep an eye on this stock each and every day, we cannot. So what you can do here is, it's a advice for you, always keep alert, what we call them price alert. In price alert, what will happen, the day it will touch 122, you will get a notification. The day it will touch 105, you will get notification. That it will touch 87, you will get notification. So that way you can keep a track on this particular stock. So if it break like above 122, so definitely we can expect that the rise will be there, and we can go for long with a target of 150 here. So this is the first target here, and if it can hold itself, then 180, and if it can break this target, then keep it for long term with a target of 250. Let me show you one more thing. This is my another platform. If you look at here, this is NBCC. If you look at the targets, I mean to say technicals here, in this you will find that most of the cases, like 1 day time frame, most of the indicators like 10, 5 and 20 is coming around 120. You have to keep this level in mind. This level is very good level for, this is 120 120.27. So any closing about this level will definitely push the stock high. So this is a very crucial level. This is EMA 20. EMA 20, if it can break EMA 20, so definitely you will get very good rise on the upside. So anything above 120 can also be taken as your buy side. And if we talk about the financials, company is making good profit, on and off EPS, book value per share is high, return on equity is very good, debt to equity ratio is like almost debt free. And if we talk about income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, shareholding patterns, FI have recently increased their stakes, DIR also like almost static, public is like almost static, and promoters, of course, it's a government company, so it will be like 61.7 only, on and off. So this is one trade which we can keep for our like short term for 150 and long term for 250, and that will be BCC. For such updates, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you into my next video, guys. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Take care. Bye bye.